Shop drawings are detailed technical documents created by contractors, fabricators, and suppliers. They translate design plans into precise instructions for construction and fabrication. These drawings include dimensions, materials, installation details, and coordination notes. Shop drawings are essential because they ensure accuracy and clarity before construction begins. They help identify potential conflicts between architectural, structural, and MEP systems early on. This coordination reduces costly errors and delays on site. Engineers, architects, fabricators, and construction teams all rely on shop drawings. They use them to verify that components fit together correctly and meet design intent. Shop drawings also guide fabrication and installation processes, improving efficiency. By providing a clear, detailed roadmap, shop drawings enhance communication across teams. They support quality control and help maintain project timelines. However, challenges like revisions and coordination complexities require careful management. In summary, shop drawings are a critical tool in construction, driving precision, collaboration, and successful project delivery.